Pietra offers an AI t-shirt design generator that allows users to create and customize unique t-shirt designs. The platform provides a vast array of design possibilities, easy customization tools, and the ability to order high-quality t-shirts directly. Customers praise the tool's efficiency, user-friendliness, and the exceptional quality of the designs produced. Pietra also offers other AI tools for e-commerce businesses, making it a comprehensive solution for starting and scaling a brand. AI Writer is a Notion-style WYSIWYG editor with AI-powered auto-completion. It allows users to collaborate with AI, format text, upload images, and save work locally. The tool aims to provide a free, Notion-like text editor with AI-powered features for a seamless writing experience. Chatling offers an AI-powered chatbot platform that enables businesses to automate customer support, lead generation, and sales. The platform features a drag-and-drop builder, multilingual capabilities, accurate responses, and integrations with various tools. It provides enhanced customer experience, scalability, and privacy and security. Chatling is suitable for businesses of all sizes, from startups to enterprises, and can be easily integrated into any website. Duply is a platform that helps automate visual content creation. It offers features like API, URL, and integrations to generate images and videos quickly. Duply allows users to design templates, set dynamic elements, and generate customized visuals without opening an editor every time. The platform claims to improve productivity by 5 times and has generated over 100,000 images. Duply targets use cases like social media content, email campaigns, e-commerce, and more. Flashfeed is an AI-powered platform that helps businesses create high-performing video ads in minutes. It offers features like AI concept writing, script generation, storyboarding, and video planning, allowing users to produce viral brand videos with ease. The platform is designed to save time and effort while ensuring the ads are tailored to the brand's target audience and budget. Kerlig is an AI-powered writing assistant that helps users improve their text quality, fix grammar and spelling mistakes, and generate content ideas. It integrates seamlessly with macOS, allowing users to access its features directly from their applications. Users praise its simplicity, speed, and accuracy, making it a valuable tool for improving productivity and communication. The Octagon Oracle offers AI-powered UFC betting predictions with an 82% accuracy on their top 2 picks and a 36% average ROI. They provide precise fight picks, fantasy point forecasts, in-depth analytics, and strategy simulation tools to give users a competitive edge in UFC betting. With a 7-day free trial, the platform caters to both experienced bettors and newcomers seeking to outsmart the odds. Web Transpose uses AI to instantly build web scrapers for any website, enabling users to extract data from websites efficiently. It is designed for production use with low latency, no hallucinations, and proxy handling capabilities. Web Transpose learns the website structure, building the underlying web scraper to prevent hallucinations and decrease latency, allowing users to query any website like an API.